This 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features a cobalt interior, sleeps 4, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, oven, refrigerator, water heater, stove-top burner, TV antenna, external shower, awning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG is 6,354 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.